last video we learned about what is a cell, definition of cell, and we learned about how the cell was discovered, who discovered the cell, all those things we learned. Also we learned about cell membrane, cell wall and nucleus. The functions of cell membrane, cell wall and the nucleus we learned in the previous video. This video, today we are going to learn about cytoplasm. So we have learned in the previous video, when we see a cell under a microscope, there is a compound microscope, we can identify three regions. Which are the three regions? That is cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. So when we see or when we view the cell under a compound microscope, we can identify three regions. These three regions, that is cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Now we have learned about the cell membrane as well as nucleus. Today let us learn about the cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the fluid. It is a jelly-like fluid present between the nucleus and the cell membrane. The fluid that is present between the nucleus and the cell membrane is called the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance. Jelly, or we can say fluid-like substance. It is jelly-like or fluid-like substance. Okay. So what is the cell, what is the cytoplasm made up of? The cytoplasm is made up of 80% of water and 20% of other substances. 20% of other substances. So which are those other substances? It may be food, like it may be vitamins, proteins or fats or oil substances. Okay, even in case of plants it may contain resins and gums. Okay, other substances such as amino acid, glycerol, some nutrients, glycerol, or in some cases oil droplets, and in case of plants even they may contain resin and gum. So the cytoplasm has both, that is, it is made up of 80% of water and 20% of the nutrients. It may be nutrients, it may be excreted product, so it is present inside the cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm, we can also observe certain structure. Within the cytoplasm, we can see certain structure which is scattered throughout the cytoplasm. They are randomly distributed. They don't have a specific place in the cytoplasm. What are those structures called? In 8th standard we have learned. In 8th standard we have learned these structures are called cell organelles. So we learned what are cell organelles. Can you tell me what are cell organelles? Cell organelles are the living structures. They are the tiny structures which are scattered throughout the cytoplasm. Okay. So what are cell organelles? The cell organelles are the tiny structures which are scattered throughout the cytoplasm. So here they are living structure. Living structure means each structure has a specific functions to carry out. So the tiny structure which are scattered throughout the cytoplasm are called cell organelles. Are called cell organelles. Okay, are called cell organelles, and each structure has a specific function. Has a specific function to carry out. So, cytoplasm has all the structure, that is the cell organelles, which will have specific function to carry out. So, cell organelles we have learned there are two types of cell organelles. Which are the two types of cell organelles? They are membrane bound cell organelles and non-membranous cell organelles. So cell organelles are of two types. One is membranous organelles and the other one is non-membranous organelle. Membranous and non-membranous organelle. So you know the definition, you know the difference between the membranous and non-membranous organelles. Membranous organelles are the organelles which are bounded by a membrane. The organelles which are covered by a membrane. Covered by membrane are called membranous organelles. Non-membranous organelle means these are the organelles which are not covered by a membrane. Which are not covered by a membrane. So these are the two types of organelles, right? So organelles, you know now there are two types of organelles, that is membranous organelles and non-membranous organelles. Organelles which are covered by a membrane are called membranous. Organelles which are not covered by a membrane are called non-membranous organelles. So these are the two types. So in eukaryotic organism we find the membrane bound and non-membranous organelles in eukaryotic cell, but in prokaryotic cell we don't see the membrane bound organelle. That is why when nucleus is absent as well as the organelles except for ribosome, because we know very well membrane under non-membranous organelle, the ribosome comes under the non-membranous organelle. So only ribosomes are present in case of prokaryotic cell, whereas in eukaryotic cell we find both membranous and non-membranous organelles. So let us see which are the membranous and non-membranous organelles. So let us find out the membranous organelles. So which are the membranous organelles? Membranous. So it includes the first one, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Next is Golgi complex, or it is also referred as Golgi apparatus. And our favorite, the mitochondria. You know why mitochondria is important? Then lysosomes and plastids and vacuoles. Okay, so these are the membrane bound organelles. That is, these are the organelles which are covered by a membrane. They are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex. It is Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. Okay, and mitochondria, lysosomes, plastids and vacuoles. Okay, so coming to the plastids and vacuoles. Plastids and vacuoles are present only in the plant cell. That is, they have endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, lysosome, plastids and vacuole. All this will be present in the plant cell. In case of animal cell, plastids and vacuoles are absent. Plastids and vacuoles are absent in animal cell. Animal cell, in case of amoeba or euglena, you find vacuoles, right? Even euglena also have the plastid, right? Those are exception there. Okay, so other than that, in higher animals we don't find the plastid and the vacuoles. Only these are the organelles which are present in case of animal cell, that is membranous organelles. So let us see which are the non-membranous organelles. So coming to non-membranous organelles, we have two types or two organelles. They are ribosomes and centrosomes. Okay, it is also, like, we'll be learning about it, okay, in detail now. So these are the membranous and these are the non-membranous organelles. So remember the name of the organelles, that is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosome, plastids and vacuoles. Non-membranous organelles include ribosomes and centrosomes, and plastids and vacuoles are not present in animal cell. In case of plant cell, centrosomes are absent. So next class we will be learning, next video I will be teaching about the structure and function of each organelles. Thank you, children.